algorithmic trading to take over.
True finance. This phrase will be our goal moving forward from day one.
We have a 5-year plan and a multi-billion-dollar goals.
This is an opportunity of a lifetime. This is the moment when we start using algorithms to work for us.
Just in 3 months, we expanded our market to Korea, Japan, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, South Africa, and China, and many more to mention. See you in Bangkok. Let's win together.
Our show is also
ASU TV.
Okay, welcome back, and let's bring in Ms. Raish. So let's see if we have some questions here. This one, good afternoon, watching from Davao. May tinamaan yata sa taga Davao. Grabe ko na.
Sige.
Hindi, marami kasi
marami doon.
even yung nanay ko, bakit? Sabi sa akin, kasi may sabi sa akin, meron silang, may ininvestan daw sila, sabi Forex, okay? And then 30% ang balik. Sabi ko parang,
oh my gosh.
Talaga, oo. Pero tapos, ano yan, in-explain nila kung bakit, kasi ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, anyway. And, yun nga, parang, mga first 2 months, 5 months, 6 months, natatanggap yung nanay ko eh. Tuwang-tuwa naman siya. And then suddenly, boom, nawala lang bigla, hindi na makontak yung mga tao and everything, and then yun na nga, boom. And Micah Pacana says, thank you sa info, and Grace Lazaro, may training din po pala to.
Yeah,
estimate
may training tayo.
6 months po ba, ano yung, gaano katagal yan bago siya maka-familiarize?
Grace, remember, you are not actually doing the manual trading, diba? As I mentioned. So, ang training nito more is for you to understand how it works. Kasi hindi naman ikaw yung gagawa eh. So, ang intindihin mo na lang rito is paano kumikita yung pera mo or paano ginagawa ng company for your money to earn. Yun yung yun yung idinidiscuss natin or itinitrain natin sa tao. So, yes, we do have training.
Okay. So, the question now is, okay, ano yung pinaka-step, detalye ulit tayo kasi parang may viewer na excited. Ito na yung pera ko. Go na ako. Saan ako una? Kasi kanina you said there's this AFT, tama? At may iba pang trading. Go to a trading. May, ano yung kanina? Why not go directly to you, Ms. Raish?
Because number one, hindi naman ako licensed, diba? So we only deal with a licensed broker. So what will happen is for example, I'm going to send you a link for you to register doon sa broker account. Okay? So again, we will only deal with a licensed broker. So once you registered with the licensed broker, you need to KYC your account. Kailangan yan because this company is regulated by FSA Labuan. Ito yung mga regulatory body na kumbaga sila yung sumasaklaw dito sa forex industry. FSA Labuan and ASIC, which is Australia Securities and Investment Commission, based in Australia. So, yan yung lisensyado or yan yung license ng ating broker, which is IFA. So, yung account niyo, you need to KYC it. So, once na KYC na siya, so that's the time that you can fund your account. Okay? And again, we will teach you how. No problem. Kompleto kami sa videos.
Okay, so KYC is, they will
know your
customer.
Check KYC is know your
check nila. So, hindi lang to basta-basta lang pala na parang magsasubmit ka na wala kang ID, wala kang so, kasi nga naman, baka isipin nila na galing
kasi
yan sa masama.
they too have to verify baka money laundering yung pera mo. Diba?
Correct. And then, ito naman, may trading na sa una mag-earn, then katagalan, pabawas, parang sa umpisa lang.
Yan yung pinag-uusapan namin ni Roy kanina, no? Those are what example, either it's a book B broker, which means to say, they are trading against you. Hindi nila dinadala sa open market yung capital mo. Okay? Tinetrade lang nila yon against sa'yo. That's why, if you notice, kumikita ka first month, second month, third month, fourth month. Ibig sabihin, every time na kumikita ka, natatalo sila. That's why hindi yan naaabot ng baka 6 months lang or 8 months lang, wala na. Kasi wala na silang ibabayad sa'yo, inubos mo na yung pera. So, there are companies naman kasi na ang talagang intention nila is to run away. Okay?
Okay.
Kaya ganun yun. Papadamahin ka lang.
And then another one here, sabi niya, again, ulit-ulit tumatanong mga sigurista to mga viewers natin. Ask ko lang po kung hindi ba napipeke ang license ng broker.
You can check. Meron
yun,
tayong way to check it.
Kasi kung di ka sure sa broker, siguro dapat yung broker hingiin mo yung address, hingiin mo yung kanyang NBI clearance, bahay, kung saan siya nakatira, para sigurado ka kung talagang, di ba?
O yung kausap niya na
sure,
trader, no?
Oo. So technically, Miss Rach, hindi ikaw yung Opix Tech is not really tama ba? Hindi ikaw yung trading company. Tama ba?
No.
Hindi ikaw yung ano.
Ganito para mas malinaw sa ano. Opix Tech is the AI provider. Sila yung AI provider, it's the Opix Tech. So, hindi sila pwedeng mag-trade. They don't have the license to trade. That's why they partnered with a licensed company, licensed brokerage, kumbaga, licensed broker house. So, tayo na magpapatrade, ang pera, hindi natin ibibigay kay Opix. Ang pera, ipapasok natin dun sa licensed broker, which is IFA. Itong si IFA, they are using the AI of Opix to trade our funds. Yun ang relationship niya.
Ayun. So, yung makina is yung kayo. Pero hindi sila ang may hawak ng pera. Hindi sila race. Yung IFA, yung trader. Yes. Tama, malinaw. Kung gusto niyo hingin ang mga details ng hindi details ni Rach, details ng IFA kasi sila yung trader. Tama?
Yeah, they are the trader. And the good thing about this, Roy, is this broker is very transparent. Kaya nga kami, syempre, like Opix Tech has been in the business for 6 years. Ano sila tech providers sila ng iba-ibang company So, syempre, kukuha sila ng broker na lisensyado kasi it's their name that's at stake. Diba?
Correct. Another question is, yung sa Philippine Stock Exchange, the typical trading sa stock exchange, these are governed by the SEC, sa kanila nga may nalulugi. Paano ba sa atin yung sabi mong may possibility ba na yung kanyang example lang, yung kanyang $1,000 this week kumita, the next week wala na. Doon sa option number 2.
What do you mean sa option number 2?
Di ba dalawang classic investment?
Okay. Yeah. You mean yung sa forex trading talaga na profit trading. Kumaga ang income is coming from the profit trading. Oo, pwede 'yon.
Yeah.
Pero with lot rebate kasi dalawa, 'di ba? Profit trading income at saka from lot rebate. Yan yung two source of income sa forex trading. Sa lot trading or sa lot rebate, wala. Ang ating exposure is only 3%. 3% lang.
Okay.
Yun lang yung pwedeng ikatalo natin. So, kung sa 1,000 mo, if you have $1,000, so the most that you can lose is $30.
Exactly.
Ito rin ang add-on doon, which, di ba, nag-run siya for 1 year because they started the retail market ng January of 2023. So, over 1 year na ang retail market, di ba? Which, we didn't hit yung stop loss ng 3%. Nasa mga 1 point something lang. We didn't even hit the 3%.
Okay. So parang, correct me if I'm wrong, if gusto ko medyo kikita ng medyo malaki, doon ako sa option number 1.
Yeah.
And kung gusto ko, kung wala akong pakialam, gusto ko kumita ng malaki na wala akong yung option number 1. So option number 2, at least it's parang yun ang kukunin ko para safe lang yung pera. At least walang gamble. It's like, is it tama ba? Parang it's like, correct me if I'm wrong again, parang mas mabuti pa ipasok mo pera dyan kaysa bangko. Parang ganun ang dating no?